Maintenance of blood pressure within the normal range is a prerequisite for proper tissue perfusion. But our body is constantly exposed to different factors which can affect blood pressure. To cope up with all those factors, our body is provided with several protective mechanisms. Renin-angiotensin system is one of the important long-term BP regulators. It plays a pivotal role to maintain the normotensive state of the body. Let us have a brief idea about the renin-angiotensin system. When blood pressure decreases, it is sensed by the intrarenal baroreceptors. We have the juxtaglomerular cells as the intrarenal baroreceptors. In response to low blood pressure, the JG cells release renin. Renin acts on angiotensinogen, a protein synthesized by our liver. Angiotensinogen gets converted to angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is acted upon by ACE or the angiotensin converting enzyme. ACE is synthesized mainly by the lungs. At the end of this reaction, angiotensin 1 gets converted to angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 then performs several functions. Angiotensin 2 is a potent vasoconstrictor. It contracts both the arteries and the veins. It increases the release of ADH or antidiuretic hormone from the posterior pituitary gland. ADH acts on collecting ducts of the kidneys to increase water reabsorption. As a result, urine output decreases and blood volume increases. Angiotensin 2 stimulates the adrenal cortex to secrete aldosterone. Aldosterone in turn increases the reabsorption of sodium ions from the distal part of nephrons. This increased reabsorption of sodium ions is accompanied by water reabsorption, so blood volume increases. Apart from this, angiotensin 2 directly absorbs sodium ions from the proximal convoluted tubule to increase blood volume. It also evokes thirst. As water intake is increased, blood volume again tends to increase. All the actions of angiotensin 2 ultimately aim to increase blood pressure. Let us summarize the whole concept. In response to decreased blood pressure, the renin-angiotensin system gets activated. Renin is released from the kidneys and ultimately there is production of angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 contracts the blood vessels and by a number of mechanisms it increases the blood volume. By the dual action of vasoconstriction and increased volume of blood, normal blood pressure is restored. This is all for today. I hope this video helped you to understand the basic concept of renin-angiotensin system. If you found it to be helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and before leaving, ensure that you have subscribed to this channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications about new videos. Thank you and happy learning.